Hello everyone, Amandeep this side and welcome to the Caring School. So, as you have already seen this laptop is Dell Latitude 3400 and this is one of the best products recently. I'll straight away talk about the best points that I have noted that I have felt like while using this laptop. And one more thing, this laptop is currently not for retail, it's specific to the organizations that are buying it in bulk, so you might not get it on Amazon or Flipkart as of now. Coming back to the points that I have noted. So first things, let's start with the configuration. It has i5 8th generation processor and full HD display. Along with that, it has a nicer keyboard. Like while I'm typing it, it's very okay for me. Like my fingers don't feel like stuck or something like that. And talking about the screen size, it is 14 inches and it contains 8 GB of RAM inside it, and it has original Windows 10 installed in it. So basically, in a nutshell, this is the configuration of this laptop. Now coming to the usage, I use it for around 7 to 8 hours per day, and this laptop hasn't hanged even once. It has 250 GB of SSD, which makes booting really fast. Like in seconds, in few seconds, 10 or 12 seconds, or maybe less than that, it boots very fast. And one thing that I don't like about this product is its battery capacity. I mean, after one full charge, if you are on internet and you are using MS Teams for office calls or even any office work, you will see the battery will drain so fast, and it sometimes feels really bad because when you have a new laptop, it shouldn't have this issue. Like after 3-4 months, I've started facing this issue. Whereas comparing this laptop to my Acer laptop, if you have watched any of these videos, you will find that I have talked about that it has four cells in it, and it has capacity of up to 4-5 hours. Like after now 3 years of usage of that Acer laptop, I still get around 2 hours on Windows if I use that laptop. So that's pretty amazing for Acer. So that's one con of Dell Latitude 3400 that I'm talking, that its battery capacity is not that good. So I'll just rate it average. And talking about the issues that I've faced in past 8 months of usage, I haven't faced any issue, to be very genuine. Like that's the advantage of using original Windows 10 or original form of any Windows. This is because it will auto troubleshoot various things that you don't need to even see. Even before you realize that there is an issue, you'll see in a few minutes it will be countered by Windows. So that's really amazing when you have original Windows installed on your system. So I'll personally recommend that you should go for an original Windows if you are looking to work onto Windows after purchasing the laptop. Whereas if you want to purchase a DOS laptop or any Unix operating system laptop, the first advantage is that you can have it at a cheaper rate, around 4 to 5,000 cheaper, and later on you can install Windows that is pirated. But I'll not recommend you to use the pirated version of Windows. Better install Ubuntu, and Ubuntu 20 is the latest version that you can use. I mean, that is pretty much amazing with the DOS laptops. Coming back to the Dell, I'll recommend that you should buy Dell laptops, but if you see Dell laptops, they are comparatively at a higher price than other laptops in the market. That thing I have personally felt. Talking about its service, after sale service, I've never come across any issue with the Dell laptop, so I never wanted to have any service done or to have any parts replaced. And moreover, it depends on the area in which you live and how is the quality of that vendor in your area. But yeah, Dell laptops are pretty amazing, you can go for it. But please keep in mind, when you are purchasing a Dell laptop, see if you can get a better battery in the laptop. For example, a battery with the 4 cells. because Dell laptops or Lenovo laptops usually come with 2 cells, not 4 cells. If the company has upgraded to 4 cells, that's a very good thing. Otherwise, except battery thing, I'll give 5 out of 5 in each and everything. Talking about the processing speed, the CPU usage, and the hassle-free work, it's been an amazing experience. So I'll recommend you that you should buy Dell laptops. But again, please keep these things in the mind so that you are very much clear with your motives. Because if you are a gamer, obviously you're not going for this laptop. If you have day-to-day works or coding purpose, or you have the purposes of doing video editings, you can go for such laptops. But again, for video editing, I'll recommend you that you should go for a laptop with some GPU. For example, MX150, that is a series of Nvidia graphics, so you can go for that. And you can purchase Dell laptops exclusively on Flipkart and Amazon. These days, it's the pandemic time, so everything is being done virtually. And there are many times across the year when the prices drop, so you need to keep a check. Do that. So that's all from my side. Cheers, have a great day.